Square root of 2k squared plus 17 minus x equals 0. If k more than 0 and x equals 7 in the equation above, what is the value of k? The most important thing is to stay patient and take it one step at a time. So the problem already supplies us with x, and it equals 7. So let's plug it into the equation that was given. As a result, we get square root of 2k squared plus 17 minus 7 equals 0. Now, as we know, whenever we're trying to isolate a certain piece in an equation, we need to remove the remaining parts to the other side of the equal sign. And the way it works is that we are keeping the equation in balance by adding or subtracting, multiplying or dividing it by any number, as long as we do it to both sides. Minus 7 is in our way, so let's cancel it out by adding 7 to the left side of the equation and, of course, to the right side of the equation as well. As a result, we get square root of 2k squared plus 17 equals 7. In math, including SAT math, square root is normally considered to be an inconvenience. So in this case, we are well advised to get rid of it. So the best way to resolve this is to square the square root. But then again, in order for us to square the left side of the equation, to make sure that we don't violate the equality, we also need to square the right side of the equation. So once squared, we get everything that was under the radical, i.e., 2k squared plus 17. And on the right side, we get 7 squared, or 49. Since we're solving for k, we will try to isolate k on one side of the equality sign. And the next logical step is to take care of plus 17. As we already know, our best manipulation tool is to neutralize it, which would be to subtract 17 from both sides of the equation. If done appropriately, we should get 2k squared equals 32. So 17 cancels out on the left side, and it is subtracted from 49 on the right side. Our next step will be now to counter the multiplication of k squared by 2. And to reverse the operation, we will divide by 2 both sides of the equation. So 2 times k squared divided by 2 equals 32 divided by 2. So k squared is multiplied by 2, but then divided by 2, which means that we have isolated k squared on the left side, and we have 16 on the right side. This means that the two solutions that we have are 4 and minus 4. It is very important to note that whenever we have this situation of k squared equals a positive number, we should know that squaring of either positive or negative number will result in a positive outcome. So don't make a mistake of only settling on one answer, positive 4. Make sure you also keep in mind that the second possible answer in this case is a negative 4, because negative 4 squared equals 16. Let's refer back to the question. If k is more than 0 in the equation above, what is the value of k? So since k is supposed to be more than 0, all our answer choices are positive. But you need to be ready that in order to trick you, sometimes the authors may choose to include a trap negative answer. If k is more than 0, it means our answer is 4. Answer choice C.